To China. I went there just being nice. O, tingnan mo ang lumabas. Duterte Sparks International Stress. Ito, nakaliit-liit kung tao, ba't mo mag-stress? Nervyoso kayo. Kasi guilty. Wala man akong ginawa sa China. Usap kami. And so there's a lot of speculation. Do not dangle me about America. What is it? Nagkagulo-gulo na nga kayo doon eh. Well, separate, yes. You have the EDCA. Well, forget it. If I stay here long enough, one day that EDCA will, if it's an executive agreement, then I will just... I do not want to say any military man of any other nation except the Philippine soldier. Yan lang ang gusto ko. That's the long and short of it. I want an independent policy that ako pasunod-sunod ba si kanino. Usapan sa China kung hindi paano magluto ng siupaw na maganda pati chapsoy. Eh kung maibigay ang China, di pasalamat, eh di wala, di wag. They want to talk about the boogeyman of war. Stop that shit. Nobody is interested in wars anymore. And if there is a fight, you fight your wars. Do not include mine. During the time when Manila was to be taken back by the Allies, they carpet bombed Manila. Hindi ang Hapon sila. The comebacking American force. 200,000 died here. Ang Manila talaga flattened.